A great philosopher said, where the mind, the understanding stops, that's where faith begins. Meaning, what you can understand, you can understand. What you cannot understand, you need to believe. Belief is the key. It's the beginning of anything that's going to go out of your personal limitations and boundaries. Emunah, Moshe Rabbeinu, when he came to God, and he complained about the Jewish people, and he said, they will not believe me. He got punished. Because a Jew naturally is ma'aminim b'nei ma'aminim. We are those who have faith, born of parents who have faith. Therefore, if you want to be able to activate success in your life, it starts with emunah, faith. Faith that there is a master of the universe, which is not outside of you. He's inside of you. Once you completely surrender your mind and put your personal limitations aside to trust him completely, at that moment, you will see that doors will open that never opened before.